Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can share your Lucidchart diagrams as an HTML code in 2026. For example, if you'd like to embed these as an HTML code in your website or online blog. So let us guide you through this. Navigate to diagram, click into these three lines at the top and hover your mouse over share. Here select the embed option at the bottom. And here guys, you will see the embed code. Now you of course can customize the size like small, medium, large or custom. So if I select custom, I will be given the opportunity to set a custom width and height. So guys, below you will see the HTML code. So what you want to do is simply copy it to your clipboard like that. And that's basically it. Click into done. You may also activate it here. And that's basically it. Let me switch back to that menu. Now to activate the embed code, of course, you will need to publish the presentation first. But to embed it simply, to keep it, for example, updated, as you can see on your web page or in your online blog, you can use that HTML code. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.